Hi, it's Ben from Mex's Garage here again, and here's Ride of the Week. But yeah, basically this one again, 30 positioning dampening all round. We've gone for a sleek style boot install on this one, just with a blacked out tank, keeping it very minimal, hiding as much stuff as we could. And yet again, dual compressors for everyone. So another cool feature on this car is Andrew come up with a cool idea of putting the touchpad controller in this little hidey hole here, which I didn't even know about.